Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, welcome to our project. The title of the project is Health Management System using Python. Nowadays, maintaining fitness is everything, and our project will help you to manage fitness. You can record your diet and exercises. Moving on, this project is done by a group of 6 students. Here are names. First one is myself, Aditya Prabhu, then Anish Nimba, then Shreya Borkar, then Sujal Hande, Ganesh Sarke, and Sakshi Chile. For this project, we got guidance of Vidya Kantari ma'am. As mentioned earlier, objective of the project is to record your diet and exercise. We have made this project using Python language. In this project, people will able to add their diet and exercises that they need to do, or they can save their daily diet or exercises with the date and time to keep records of it. This system can be used by multiple persons. Let's assume two characters, Nilesh and Shanu. Here are some operations we have to use during program. First one is getdate. It tracks date for data so that long retrieval can make sense. Second one is selectname. This function lets the user select the person on which the required tasks are to be performed. This function first gives option to choose between two people and takes the input as an integer. This is then returned for further processing. The third one is select file action. This function accepts what should be done to the file. Example, either the file should be used to write data or retrieve the existing data. This again takes integer arguments and returns them. This function helps specify data related to the what task has to be entered. The choice here given is between food and exercise. This again accept integer input and return it for further processing. And the fifth one is action. Performs appropriate tasks according to the inputs written by above function by condition checking. Then moving on, here is our code snippet. As you can see in this code, we use all the functions as mentioned earlier. And at last, here is our output of the project. You can see here we save Nilesh food, and if you also want, we can write the calories he intake or along with the time. This project can be used by all of us to maintain our fitness. Thank you for your valuable time.